Once lived a very poor family. In family there was mother, father and daughter. Father was the only person earning and it was just enough to fulfill basic need for them. Even when they didn't had enough money, he always used to dream about making his daughter best doctor in the world. He loved our daughter very much. His daughter was good child. It was day of her high school result. As father wished his daughter stood first in state. Father got very happy and said to her, "Today I am proud of you and happy. Ask me anything you want me to buy for you." Daughter replied, "Papa, I want dress which I showed you that day, but it cost 1500 rupees. I didn't ask you to buy that day, but please will you buy that for me?" Father was happy for his daughter, and even when he knew he didn't had enough money to buy that dress, he agreed to gift her dress because he didn't want it to see her sad. Next day, father bought the same dress for his daughter and gifted her. Mother saw that and knew that there wasn't enough money to buy that dress, so she asked him, "From where did you got money to buy dress?" Father replied, "I had some savings and I sold my blood for some extra money because I didn't want it to disappoint my daughter." Time passed and his daughter got into medical college, and her father worked very hard to provide for her tuition fees for college. It was her final year and she needed 80,000 rupees as last installment for fees. Father didn't had enough money, but still somehow he paid that fees. Mother knew there was no money, so she asked him, "Where did you bring that money? Did you did something wrong to earn that money?" Father replied, "No, there was a kidney failure patient and is owed my kidney to him. But please don't tell about this to our daughter. She will feel guilty if she knew." It was the day of daughter's graduation, and mother and father were waiting for the daughter to come home as doctor for first time. But she came as dead body. She killed herself because she was cheated by guy she loved. Now if we think, can we answer who is actually dead? Tell me answer in the comment section. We should value our life for those who love us, not just give up for those who don't.